Hi guys, today I went on an adventure with my good friend and mentor Alex Coe, who is a filmmaker, model, actor, and also farmer. So see what we get up to. So here's Alex.
Hello.
Say hi to the vlog. Oma, you want to say hi? This is Oma. And she is beautiful and very sassy Doberman. Show us your phone, Oma. Come on.
Come on, everybody.
Come on, chicks.
I know, guys. It's exciting when Mama comes with a bag of food.
That's how swamp girls do it.
Sit in the bed.
Yeah, good idea.
Just get some long road shots.
She's interviewing Florida cattle ranchers for her master's thesis. So I'm just getting some B-roll on the back of her truck right now. And the road disappears far beyond us. We're searching for some cows, so we are off-roading it. Hang on to your boots. You guys gonna let us through? Hi guys! I almost leaned right on it. I almost leaned on 3 wires of electrical fence. Would not be the first time. Hi babies!
Yeah.
Oma, she stepped on Shaggy's head.
Come on, little puppies.
Come here, Shaggy. Nice poop.